ask you. What is your name? Okay, come out. R will have
R.
find the earth. R for get into the circle. C will have C for okay, get into the circle. Z will have Z for get into the circle.
Yes, yes.
S will have
S for? Very good. Come.
two class. What is your name? Loudly say beta.
Loudly say. You?
Which class you studying beta? What is your name? Okay, very good. Come out. Name.
B.
B will have B for get into the circle. B will have
B beta.
B for get into the circle. D will have
D beta.
D.
D now.
Pallavi, D will have D for get into the circle. Okay, beta. What is your name? Which class you studying? What is your name? Which class you studying? I'm studying LKG. Okay, come out. I have
A will jump.
A for okay, give into the circle. C will have beta.
C beta. C.
Akshita, C. C for okay, get into the circle. B will have
B. B.
Srushti, B beta. B for